Hello, I'm Abroganti. I am currently studying in Institute of Engineering and Management in Electronics and Communication Department. So let's study today about the Ohm's law. So let's now learn what is Ohm's law. First of all, let me tell you what Ohm's law expressed, how Ohm's law is expressed with the formulas. So the formula is V is equal to I into R. Let's remove this thing from our mind. See, normally in any constant condition of making constant pressure and temperature in a situation, then the potential difference, that is V, is proportional to the I. I is the current here. So what is let's understand what is potential difference actually is. So suppose here we have much bigger electricity region and here we have smaller electricity region. So there is a difference between these two electricity region. Often suppose there is a wire, suppose this is a wire, and there is a much more electricity region at that point, and there lower electricity region. Now the current will flow from this higher side to the lower side. Suppose this is a water tank, bigger water tank, and this is a empty ball. So how the water will flow? Water will flow from this full tank to the empty ball, right? So that's how the current also flows. And this difference of the higher electricity and the lower electricity region, that is called as the potential difference. And here in the formula, V varies as I suppose. The V is actually the potential difference here. So as long as you are increasing the potential difference, suppose here you take more bigger electricity region, and here you take more lesser electricity region, more less electricity here, so the difference is increased, right? So as the difference is increasing, the potential difference is increasing, the current flow from this side to this higher side, from this higher side to this lower side will also be increased, right? So that's how the potential difference, that's why the potential difference is proportional to the current flow. As the potential difference is much bigger, the current flow will be also in also big, um, uh, be in big amount, right? And same, if you decrease the potential difference, suppose you take less amount of electricity here and much more amount of electricity here, the current flow will also be very less amount, right? So that's how this thing, the formula is actually working. So it is basically in any constant temperature or pressure or other the physical properties of the wire is being conserved, at that time the potential difference between these 2 points of any wire is proportional to the current flow through this wire is happening. So this is the main main purpose of Ohm's law is. Now, in the proportionality symbol, if you want to replace it with an with a equal to sign, right? You have to multiply the I with any constant. So here we take R as a constant, the capital R as a constant, and R here is called as the resistance. So what is resistance? Let's understand. Suppose this is the wire and the current is flowing from this side to this side. Suppose the current is flowing from this side to this side because there is a higher potential and there is a lower potential. Now the current is flowing from this side to this side. The current will experience a opposition, the cause of opposition which is happening on the current, that is called the resistance of that wire. So it's basically the inherent property, you can say, of that wire. So if it can be changed as the material will change, and as the as the length of the wire will change, and as the thickness of the wire will change, the resistance of the wire will also be changed. Okay, so what is basically the resistance R here is the cause of opposition of the current flow. If the current is suppose going from this side to this side, there will be some opposition which don't want let the current to be flowed in this direction. That is the resistance. So basically this is the whole function of or you can say this is the whole meaning of the ohms